Good morning, students. We are studying the chapter The First War of Independence 1857. So, in that, we have studied about the causes of revolt. There are so many causes, political causes. In that, doctrine of lapse is very important, and the role of Lord Dalhousie is also important. Then, economic causes. Then, we have studied social and religious causes. Then, military causes. Today, we are going to start. The sepoys had helped the British to establish their empire in India, but instead of receiving awards or promotions, they were humiliated by the British. So the sepoys, they now here in this paragraph we are talking about Indian sepoys, those Indians who were the part of the British army or British military force. So they helped the British to establish their empire, to establish their rule in India. But in return of reward or anything else, any advances, they just got the insult from the British. There was discrimination between the Indian and the British soldiers. So there was differences, there were divisions, there were discriminations among the Indian and the between the British and the Indian soldiers. The highest pay given to an Indian sepoy as Subedar was less than the minimum pay of a European recruit. So highest pay that was given to Indian sepoy as Subedar, that was less than the minimum pay of a European recruit. Recruit means newly admitted. So जो इंडिया का सूबेदार रैंक का पर्सन था उसकी जो वेजेस थे और उसकी जो क्या है सैलरी थी, पे थी, वो यूरोपियन नया नया जो एडमिट हुआ है उससे भी कम थी. द एक्ट ऑफ 1856 मेड इट कंपल्सरी फॉर न्यू इंडियन रिक्रूट टू सर्व ओवरसीज. अब ये क्या है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि 1856 में एक एक्ट बना. उसमें क्या था कि जो नए नए इंडियंस एडमिट हुए थे, दोज न्यू इंडियन रिक्रूट्स थे, they are supposed to serve overseas means in different countries that are by crossing the seas. It hurt the feelings of the soldiers as Hindus believed that overseas travel would lead to the loss of caste. So Hindus क्या थे, बिल्कुल इसके अगेंस्ट थे, because they were just thinking कि क्या है, if they will travel overseas they will lose their caste. Now immediate causes, at that time what happened that triggered the revolt. क्या था ऐसा? The cartridges of New Enfield rifle had a greased paper cover which had to be bitten off before the cartridge was loaded into the rifle. It was said that the grease composed of beef and pig fat. Both the Hindus and the Muslims refused to use them as the cow is sacred to the Hindus and the pig is detestable to the Muslims. So here, immediate cause क्या था कि जो राइफल्स थी उनमें जो कार्ट्रिज डलता था उसमें क्या है, लोड करने से पहले उस पर उसका जो पेपर है उसको मुंह से छील के निकालना पड़ता था. बट इट वॉज थॉट एट दैट टाइम कि क्या है ये, ऐसा बोला गया था कि भाई ये जो इस पर ग्रीस लगी हुई है ना, ये क्या है, काऊ और पिग का फैट है, उससे बनाई है ये. सो दैट वॉज अगेंस्ट द रिलीजियस बिलीव्स ऑफ हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स. ऑन March 29, 1857, at Barakpur near Calcutta, Mangal Pandey, a young Indian sepoy from Bengal regiment, refused to use the greased cartridge and shot down his sergeant. He was arrested, tried and executed. So Mangal Pandey, you can see the picture also. What he did a very brave task, that he refused to use that rifle, he refused to use that cartridge, and he shot down his sergeant, that was a British, and then he was arrested, he was tried, means उस पे केस चला, and he was executed afterwards. When this news spread, many sepoys started the revolt. Because of this news, many other sepoys, they started the revolt. That is the immediate cause. Now course of the revolt, कहाँ कैसे हुआ ये. So firstly we will see, do you know Kunwar Singh, the 80-year-old landlord of Jagdishpur, was the most outstanding military leader of the revolt in western Bihar. So Kunwar Singh, he was 80 years old. He was also, in that age also he was quite आउटस्टैंडिंग, बहुत ही अच्छा मिलिट्री लीडर था वेस्टर्न बिहार में जो रिवोल्ट हुआ था इन दैट एज ऑल्सो. द सिपोइज broke out into an open revolt at Meerut in April 1857. So सिपाहियों ने क्या किया? They declared open revolt कि हम तो रिवोल्ट कर रहे हैं openly in Meerut. They refused to touch the greased cartridges. They were court-martialed and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. So in return, Britishers did this to the soldiers. The regiments in Meerut revolted on May 10, 1857. They broke open the prison and released the imprisoned soldiers. अब देखो, जिन soldiers को जेल हुई थी वहाँ के जो सिपाही थे उन्होंने भी क्या किया? रिवोल्ट कर दिया और prisons को खोल दिया, सभी को बाहर निकाल दिया. They marched to Delhi on May 11 and rebelled under Bahadur Shah Zafar II. So they went to Delhi and they made Bahadur Shah Zafar II their leader and they revolted. The revolt then spread to other places. It was led by Nana Sahib at Kanpur along with his general Tatya Tope and by Begum Hazrat Mahal in Awadh. So afterwards that revolt also spread in many places and the leader was Nana Sahib in Kanpur and he was with his general Tatya Tope and by Begum Hazrat Mahal in Awadh. So कानपुर में नाना साहिब और तांत्या टोपे एंड बेगम हजरत महल इन अवध, दीज वर द लीडर्स. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ऑफ झांसी लेड द रिवोल्ट इन सेंट्रल इंडिया एंड फोर्ट वायलेंटली. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, आप सबको पता है, राइट? सेंट्रल इंडिया में रिवोल्ट उन्होंने संभाला. द रिवोल्ट ऑल्सो स्प्रेड टू बरेली, आगरा, बनारस एंड अदर प्लेसेस. So the revolt was not only confined. The Sikh leaders in Punjab, Nizam of Hyderabad and Sindhia of Gwalior did not join the revolt. But there were few leaders also, few areas also they did not join the revolt. The Madras and the Bombay regiments also did not join the revolt. The Afghans and the Gurkhas remained loyal to the British. So these are very important, that who were those people who did not join the revolt. The revolt was started by the sepoys, but the participation of the peasants and the artisans gave the revolt its real strength. शुरू किसने किया था? शुरू तो सिर्फ सिपाहीज ने किया था, but afterwards others also participated. Those peasants जो farmers थे, they also participated and they gave the revolt a real strength. It reflected the Hindu-Muslim unity. So from that Hindu-Muslim unity was reflected. Although the revolt was a great event, but it was effectively suppressed by the Britishers. That was not a small event. बहुत बड़ी event थी that revolt, but Britishers की जो power थी उस time वो और भी ज़्यादा बड़ी थी. They were able to suppress, they were able to stop the revolt. Now suppression of the revolt. How they were successful in stopping the revolt, in suppressing the revolt. British military officers freed Delhi, the epicenter of the revolt, from the rebels. So British military officers उन्होंने क्या किया? दिल्ली को, जो कि रिवोल्ट का मेन सेंटर था, सारे के सारे जो सिपाहीज थे वो दिल्ली आ गए थे. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, बहादुर शाह जफ़र के पास आ गए थे. सो दे सप्रेस्ड, वहाँ से दिल्ली को उन्होंने फ्री करवा लिया था. द कश्मीरी गेट वॉज ब्लोन अप. Hundreds of people were massacred. Hundreds of people were killed. Bahadur Shah Zafar II, the Mughal emperor, was tried for treason and exiled to Rangoon. Means treason, देशद्रोही बोल दिया उसको बहादुर शाह जफर को और उसको रंगून भेज दिया. His sons were cruelly shot down as they were held guilty of the murder of the English men, women and children. So Bahadur Shah Zafar II, his sons were murdered by the Britishers. The control of Delhi and imprisonment of Bahadur Shah Zafar by the British broke the backbone of the mutiny. So here afterwards what happened? बहादुर शाह ज़फ़र को जेल भेज दिया उन्होंने, आपको पता है रंगून भेज दिया था, और क्या है कि दिल्ली पे कंट्रोल हो गया था। इससे क्या हुआ, जो सारा का सारा रिवोल्ट था वो रुक गया वहीं पे। Lucknow was recaptured in 1858. Rani Lakshmibai was killed in the battle and Tantia Tope was captured and hanged to death. So these two were also killed. Thus ended this episode of the historic revolt, also called the First War of Independence. So this revolt is known as First War of इंडिपेंडेंस। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स दिस चैप्टर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। रिवाइज इट थॉरोली। आपको पूरा पता होना चाहिए कि कॉजेज़ क्या थे, कैसा रिवोल्ट था, किसने साथ दिया, किसने नहीं दिया, सप्रेस कैसे किया। सो स्टूडेंट्स, रिवाइज द चैप्टर एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर वी विल स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।